I will surely sit and wait for them on a straight path. उनके रास्ते, मैं इंसान के रास्ते पे बैठूंगा. Then I will come to them from before them, from behind them, and on the right, on the left, and you will not find most of them grateful to you. मैं हर जगह से उनको आके बहकाऊंगा. और अल्लाह, ये इंसानों में से बहुत सारे लोग तेरे नाशुक्रगुजार बनते हैं. Allah said, get out of paradise, reproached and expelled. Whoever follows you among them, I will surely fill hell with you altogether. So basically our life is a struggle with the shaitan. हमारा मकसद है जन्नत में दाखिल होना, और शैतान का मकसद है इंसान को जहन्नम में दाखिल करवाना. और शैतान इज अ जिन, जिन जो है, जो बुरे जिन है, वो शैतान है, जो काफिर है, जो मुशरिक है. Who are the jinn? The word jinn comes from the verb janna, which means to hide. Singular is jinni. एक जिन की बात करते हैं हम जिन्नी कहते हैं, जिन्नी. Plural is jinn. Jinn means many jinn. Okay? The word means something covered and concealed from us. The jinn are beings created with free will on the earth. उनको भी हमारी तरह free will है. अच्छाई बुराई को चॉइस करने का उनमें free will है. They are in a world parallel to that of man and are invisible to us in their normal state. They are entitled to hell or heaven, paradise. They marry, they have children. It is mentioned in Akam al-Marjan, page number 33. Now we can see them only when they take forms. जब वो forms लेते हैं, इंसान का रूप लेते हैं, जानवर, तभी हम उनको देख सकते हैं. वरना जिन को हम ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में देख नहीं सकते. हम जानते हैं कि अबू हुरैरा रज़ी अल्लाह अन्हु जब उनको रमज़ान में ज़कात सदका का माल के लिए, प्रोटेक्शन के लिए रुकाया था, तब इंसान के रूप में आता है. फिर सुराका इब्न मालिक रज़ी अल्लाह उनके शक्ल में आता है जंग बदर के दौरान, मुशरिकों को भड़काने के लिए. एक लंबी स्टोरी है. इसका जिक्र है हदीस मुस्नद अहमद वॉल्यूम नंबर 2 हदीस नंबर 306-364. Now Allah's Prophet said, if you hear dogs or donkeys आवाज कर रहे हो, then seek refuge with Allah, for they have seen a Satan. The animals slaughtered saying Bismillah, their bones become flesh for them. जो हड्डियां रहते जानवर के हम लोग खाते, उनके लिए वो गोश्त बन जाते. And the dung of human animals is the food for their animals. It is mentioned in Jami' at-Tirmidhi hadith number 3258 and Sahih al-Bukhari hadith number 3860. Allah's Prophet said, don't use bone or dung to clean for istinja. हड्डी और जो है dung जो है उसको इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए, because they are food for your brothers, that is jinn. Majmu' al-Fatawa volume number 19 fatwa number 44-45, Shaykh Ibn Taymiyyah said, the jinn may appear in animal form or human form. They may appear in the form of snakes, scorpions and so on, or in the form of camel, cattle, sheep, horses or birds. They may also appear in human form, as Shaitan came to the Quraysh in the form of Suraka ibn Malik at Badr. The black dog is the devil among the dogs. Allah's Prophet said the black dog is the devil among the dogs. Most often the jinn take the form of a black dog. And another hadith is mentioned, the black dog with a white spot on his chest. And if you see many dogs, I see daily when I go for morning walk, black, complete black and white, the chest pe white rehta hai. Allah's Prophet has specifically mentioned that most often they are, they take the form of these dogs, or they are inside those dogs. The jinn often appear in that form and also in the form of black cats, because the black color is more able to concentrate devilish power than other colors, and it concentrates heat